In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to your Shopify product description. This can be a fantastic way to make your product pages more engaging and visually appealing for your customers, so let's get started. First, you want to make sure you have your GIF ready to go. You can either create one or find a suitable GIF online. Once you have your GIF, a crucial step is ensuring it's optimized for the web. A large file can slow down your site, so aim for a small size without compromising too much on quality. Now, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the central hub where you'll manage and edit your online store. Once there, navigate to the Products section in the menu on the left. This section is where all your current products are listed. Go ahead and click on the specific product for which you'd like to add the GIF. After clicking on the product, you'll see the product details page. Scroll down a little until you find the description box. This is where you can add the GIF alongside your text. Now, in the toolbar located at the top of the description box, you'll notice an icon that looks like a mountain and the sun. That's the image icon, so go ahead and click on it. A dialog box will open, prompting you to either upload a file from your computer or paste an image URL. If the GIF is saved on your device, choose Upload File and select the GIF from your files. If it's hosted online, simply paste the URL. Once uploaded, the GIF will appear in the description box. You might want to check the alignment and size. Hover over the image, and a small menu will appear, allowing you to edit these elements. This part is crucial as you want the GIF to fit naturally within the page's flow and not overwhelm the text or other images. After adjusting, make sure to save your changes. You can do this by clicking the Save button at the top right-hand corner of the product details page. It's always a good practice to preview your product page to see how the GIF appears to your customers. To do this, click on the icon next to the product name that looks like an eye. It will open a new tab with the product page as it would appear to visitors. If everything looks good, you've successfully added a GIF to your Shopify product description. It's an effective way to catch your audience's attention and potentially increase conversions. Remember, when choosing a GIF, ensure that it complements the product and enhances the customer's experience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!